Tsunami, the giant wave. Did you know? Tsunamis are giant waves that happen in the ocean. Here are some cool facts about tsunamis. Tsunamis are usually caused by things like earthquakes, underwater landslides, or volcanic eruptions. When these things happen, they can make big waves in the ocean. Tsunamis can travel super fast, sometimes as fast as a jet airplane. They can move across the ocean and reach faraway places. When a tsunami reaches land, it can cause big floods and damage buildings and homes. That's why it's important to know what to do if there's a tsunami warning. Scientists use special tools to detect tsunamis and warn people when they might happen. This helps keep people safe and prepared. Tsunamis might sound scary, but by understanding them and being prepared, we can stay safe and be ready for whatever nature throws our way.
Bye for now, and always remember, kids, stay curious.